handheld talking PN69YFL. Quite clearly having a phone conversation. You having a phone call there, mate?
Yeah.
And? What do you think I'm going to do about it?
Sorry?
Should you be driving and holding the phone to your ear like that?
Fine, mate.
I'm going to report it. It's not fine. I can see the phone screen is lit up. I can see the green dot of an active call.
Yeah?
So in about 2 weeks or less, if the police choose to prosecute you, you'll be getting a letter from them. You can't be doing that, man.
Right.
Get a helmet with a speaker. And even then you probably shouldn't. Even though it's legal, the chances of having a crash are much higher.
Eu tenho que comprar, vai ficar da minha filha, entendeu? É isso.
After you, my friend.